What is the value of the expression 7 plus 4 divided by 2 multiplied by 4 over 2? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This expression confused a lot of people and made them choose the wrong option. Let's go step by step and solve it together. And the first step of solving this question, many people go straight to the expression 7 plus 4 in the numerator of this fraction and replace the whole expression with 11 divided by 2 times 4 over 2. And the next step, they move on to the division between 11 and 2 and simplify this expression to 5.5 multiplied by 4 over 2. Then they say the 2 in the denominator and the 4 in the numerator of this fraction can be simplified and the final answer will be 11. And they quickly say that option D is the correct answer to this question. However, it's not the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let me walk you through step by step how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we must strictly follow the steps outlined by the PEMDAS rule. It means that we need to carry out all the operations from top to bottom in order. Alright, as you can see in the image, in the numerator of this fraction, first we have an addition sign, then a division sign, and finally a multiplication. According to the PEMDAS rule, we must perform multiplication and division first because they have a higher priority than addition. However, it's very important to remember that multiplication and division are at the same level of priority. In this case, the best thing to do is to start from the rest of the expression and carry out the multiplication and division as we go. So, first we go for the division between 4 and 2, and we can rewrite the whole expression as 7 plus 2 times 4 over 2. And the next step, it's time for the multiplication between 2 and 4, which simplifies this expression to 7 plus 8 over 2. Finally, we handle the addition in the numerator and simplifying this expression to 15 over 2, which ultimately gives us the answer 7.5. That's great. Option C is the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let's solve another tricky math question together. What is the value of the expression 88 divided by 44 multiplied by open parenthesis 6 minus 2 close parenthesis? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? Let's take a closer look and solve it together. Many people, when trying to solve this question, first go for the expression inside the parentheses because they believe parentheses have a higher priority than the other operations. So, they simplify this expression to 88 divided by 44 times 4. And the next step, they go for the multiplication between 44 and 4 because they think multiplication has a higher priority than division. So, instead of this expression, they write 88 divided by 176, which finally gives them the answer 0.5. And they conclude that the correct answer to this question is option A. But I have to say, we're tricked and it's not the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we must follow a rule that is called PEMDAS. PEMDAS shows us the priority of the order of operations. Okay, and the first step, we go for the expression inside the parentheses because it has the highest priority among all the operations. So, instead of this expression, we can write 88 divided by 44 multiplied by 4. We must pay close attention that multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority in the PEMDAS rule. In this situation, the best thing to do is to start from the left and perform these two operations in order. So, first we perform the division between 88 and 44, which simplifies this expression to 2 multiplied by 4. And finally, we get the answer 8. Therefore, option D is the correct answer to this question.